1. Know what to expect. Hydrogen peroxide and ammonia can be harsh and drying, even more so than usual since you are putting it directly onto your skin. It's also not something you should do very often. Wait at least 6 weeks between treatments. This method is also not permanent, it will last until the bleached hairs grow out. This could be a couple of weeks to a month. 2. Mix a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1/2 tablespoon, 7.5 milliliters, of ammonia. For extra strength, add 3 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Keep in mind that lemon juice makes your skin sensitive to sunlight, so it would be best to do this in the evening. 3. Do an allergy test. It would be a good idea to do this, even if you have used hydrogen peroxide before. Dip a cotton ball or a tissue onto the diluted hydrogen peroxide, and dab it onto your arm. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. If no burning or irritation occur, you can proceed. 4. Apply the rest of the solution to your arm using a cotton ball. Focus on the top part of your forearm, where the hairs tend to be darker. You may not need to apply anything to the underside of your arm, or to your upper arm. Avoid applying so much that it drips down your skin. If the solution is too runny, add some soap flakes to it until you get a paste. To get the soap flakes, take a bar of mild body soap, and run it against a cheese or vegetable grater. 5. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. It's okay if you feel a slight tingling, but if it starts to feel too uncomfortable or it starts to burn, wash it off, even if the 10 minutes are not up. 6. Rinse the solution off with cool water and shampoo. This will remove the chemicals from your arm. Gently pat your arm dry with a towel, then apply some lotion if your skin feels dry.